Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Gmail account is temporarily unavailable with the error message. We're sorry but your account is temporarily unavailable. We apologize for the inconvenience and suggest trying again in a few minutes. And then next step ay makikita ka ditong show detailed technical info na numeric code number 2. So trinay ko na rin nag-sign out and sign in sa aking Gmail account, but still ganito pa rin yung lumalabas kapag inopen ko yung Gmail inbox ko, mga kaibigan. So kung paano ba natin ito aayusin or i-fix? So ang gagawin mo lang, so open tayo ng another tab. And then dito lang sa top right corner makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So i-click mo lang yan. And then next step, so scroll down. And select mo lang dito yung settings. And then dito lang sa left side menu and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung privacy and security. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa privacy and security, and then scroll down ulit. At makikita mo dito yung delete browsing data. So itap mo lang yan. Alright. So dito sa delete browsing data, so may dalawang option dito. Basic and then dito yung advanced. So isi-select mo lang dito yung basic. And dito sa kanyang time range, so i-select mo lang dito yung all the time. Select mo lang yan. And then may tatlong option dito. Ito yung browsing history, cookies and other site data, cache, images, and files. So, kailangan mo lang i-check tong tatlo. Okay? So, kapag na-uncheck siya, kailangan mo lang i-check yan. And then, next step, makikita mo dito yung delete data. So, itap mo lang tong delete data. And wait natin na ma-complete. Ayan. So, once is complete na siya, and then, open ulit tayo ng another tab. So, i-check na natin kung open na yung ating Gmail. So, Ctrl+T. And then, makita mo dito yung Gmail. So, itap mo lang yan. Ayan mga kaibigan. Okay? So makikita nyo na nag-open na yung ating Gmail account. So ganun lang po kasimple kung paano yun i-fix. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix your Gmail account is temporary unavailable numeric code number 2 in Gmail. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.